Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Android encrypted shared preferences easy tutorial step by step clearly. To set up Android encrypted shared preferences, begin by opening your Android Studio. Create a new project or open an existing project where you want to implement encryption. Ensure that your project is using at least Android X libraries. Open your app-level build.gradle file. Add the required dependency for encrypted shared preferences. Use the following line: implementation androix.security security crypto 1.1.0 alpha 03. Sync your project to download the library. Next, navigate to your application's activity or fragment where you want to use encrypted shared preferences. Import the necessary classes at the top of your file. You will need to import encrypted shared preferences and master key. Create a method to initialize your encrypted shared preferences. Inside this method, start by creating a master key. Use Master Key Builder to build your key. Set the key's alias and specify the key's attributes. Next, create an instance of encrypted shared preferences. Use encrypted shared preferences. Create with required parameters like context, preference. Now, you are ready to write data to your encrypted shared preferences. Use the editor to put string values or other data types. Make sure to call apply or commit to persist the data. To read values from your encrypted shared preferences, call the getSharedPreferences method. Use the appropriate get methods to retrieve the data you stored. Consider setting up default values to avoid returning null. Always handle exceptions, especially for encryption errors. Test your implementation thoroughly to ensure everything works as expected. With these steps, you have successfully set up Android encrypted shared preferences in your app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.